Hi, I'm Chad. In this video, I will show you how to share content using Boma's content library. Boma's content library has a range of insightful articles that you can use to share with your leads and your clients. Let me show you how to do this. Click on the content library menu on the top panel. You can filter through the content by either searching through the libraries or using the global categories that we have on the left. Once you have found an article that you would like to share, click on it. You will then be taken to the preview page of the article. In the right panel, you will see a subheading called Where You Can Share It. Below that, you will see a button labeled Deliver in Campaign. Once you click on this button, a pop-up will appear, prompting you to select the type of campaign that you want to share this content in. Choose Social Media Update. You will then be prompted to give this campaign a name. As we are sharing content from the content library, Boma uses the title of the content as the campaign name. You can change this to be something more relevant to you. Once you are happy with the name, click on Start. In the content template step, you can now edit the post content for your social media channels. Any changes that you make in this text box will be reflected in the social media channels in the next step. I'm going to add a line break and a couple of hashtags. Once you are happy with the post content, you can now scroll down and click on Continue. On the review and edit step, you can make further changes to the post captions for each social media channel. You may want to add a personal touch to certain channels because you may know your connections closer. For example, LinkedIn Personal. Please note that for Facebook, their privacy policy hinders Boma from pre-filling content on your behalf. To get around this, we have added this copy text from content template button. All you would need to do is simply click on the button and then either right-click and paste or Ctrl+V in the text box. After you have made the changes to each social post content, you can click on the preview button to see how this content will be displayed on each social media platform. At the bottom of the post, you will see a link which is where the reader will be able to view the article in detail. Once you are happy with the content, you can scroll down and schedule the campaign. If you would like to learn more about sharing content from the content library, feel free to reach out to our support team on support@bomamarketing.com or chat to us using the chat bubble in your Boma account. Thank you so much, and bye for now.